Greetings painters and decorators, Darren here bringing you a video from the Painters Convention. This is the 5th Messe and I'm here in the Graco store where I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the new technology that they're bringing out. This is the pump technology where in an old pump you used to have the pump go down in a rotating fashion but then come up straight. And now we actually see that we have the rotating going down and up. And if we show that another way. So as the pump is moving down through the mechanism, you'll have it actually rotating down and up. Now with the rotating pump going up and down, that's going to create less friction. And less friction means less wear and tear. That's very important when you want your sprayer to last longer. Now, all of Graco's pumps come with the Pro Connect 2 feature. That means that you can replace the pump on the job site. And with Graco's new pumps, they've brought out 3 types. You've got the Chromex variation, which will last twice as long as a regular pump. Then you have the Endurance Vortex MaxLife, which has the Vortex technology, which is the rotating pump going up and down, so moving up and down in your pump. And that lasts 6 times longer than your Chromex pump. And finally we have the MaxLife Extreme, which lasts 3 times longer than your MaxLife pump. And I mean, this is really some incredible long-lasting technology right here, and we're very excited to test it out and see just how long it works.